What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we've got IPSY. We're going to be unboxing IPSY. I haven't done these in a little bit, and I figured why not? Let's go ahead and get into it and see what's inside. Plus it's Halloween, and look at these bags. Aren't they cute? Like this one here is the Glam Bag Plus, and it's got all these cute, like, you got a snake and a skull. You got snakes, skulls, pumpkins. What else we got on here? Spiders. Don't like spiders. Just like all Halloween themed. And then this one I actually thought was really cute too, because it's just black and you got a little lining here, but here inside, I don't know if you could see on the bag, it's got some raised detailing of a cobweb. Very simple. And then the little tag, this little thing right here, is a spider. I will have timestamps down below for you guys, and in the scroll bar. You can definitely check it out. So if you have one or the other, or you can just watch the whole thing and hang out with me for a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and get into it. If you guys are interested in IPSY, I will always leave the information down below. But let's get into this. Let's go ahead and get started with the little bag. If you guys are looking to give a gift for a friend for the holidays, you definitely got to do IPSY. Especially, I always think that these little bags right here are perfect for teens. Like, they are just great because they're getting into makeup. Comes once a month. You get a nice little set of array of like little samples, and they can play around with makeup, create looks, and see what they like. The very first thing I see in here is a black box. First thing is by KVD, and this is the Tattoo Pencil Liner. This is in the shade Verdetta Green. Oh, I like that. It's like a dark forest green color. This is perfect in the waterline. Not completely black, but just gives a little bit of color, but still depth and darkness. I'm really digging this color. I think I'm gonna definitely use that. Next thing we have is by Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Hot Cherry. That is bright. That looks like so much fun. I really don't think it's gonna be like that intense. Obviously, if you pair it with the brighter color, but you could still, like this, right? It smells incredible, by the way. Holy cow, I'm such a fan of these. Next up we have is a little sample of the Bare Minerals Lasting Matte Liquid Lipstick. I have this like bright red. This is in the shade Spirited. I still love Bare Minerals. I love foundation. I love their powders. They have really great products. I think they're still one of those brands that I wish more people dove into. This is, wow. This is like pinky red. Are my lips supposed to tingle? Because they do. Is that why it's called the Heat? Oh, it's a pumper. It's a plumper. That explains it. Okay. We get a sample of the Magic Feather Intense Volume Mascara. Lastly is Kapari's Ultra Restore Body Butter. Ooh, I like that. I like the brand Kapari. They're like something I've been diving into more and more, and I want to, they're at Ulta, right? I think they're at Ulta. And I've seen them, and I have a couple of things by Kapari, and I really, really like their brand. Oh yeah. I actually think I might keep this. I'm going to keep this in my bag because I was literally at Bath & Body Works yesterday looking at hand creams for my hand. And I was like, I just need something small, just something to keep in the car. I think I'm going to keep this one in the car. I'm going to put it right in here. So that's just the Glam Bag, you guys. I swear, I think the Glam Bag is totally worth it. They have been killing it with the products inside the Glam Bag. So now we're going to move on to this little baby. And it's not little, it's kind of big. I would love a skirt in this print right here. This is called the Fall Edit, and this is by the brand Estate. Ooh, oh, very smoky. I like that this color is called Chunky because it has like that chunky feeling to it too. Then you got Puffer. This is like that nice, rich, smoky brown I've been digging recently. I just did an eyeshadow look, like a terracotta color, using like bronzy tones, and I really, really, ooh, that's a nice pretty shade. Staple, oh, Trench. This is the eyeshadow palette I was looking for. And the last one is Tailored. This is a really nice palette. Look at that. That is like fun and deep. I cannot get this eyeliner pencil off my hand right now. We have this by Earth Harbor. This is the Cloudburst Balancing Gel Hydrator. skincare item. Oh, I was actually just needing some of this. We've got some e.l.f. products in here. That's awesome. This is the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Of course, this comes like a couple weeks late when I really needed it, but I'll take it. I actually haven't tried that. I didn't even know they had a cleansing balm. We have a brush. This is by Y Collection. Oh, nice. I actually am using one of their brushes right now too, which is so funny. I have another one that I use for like highlight and stuff. Really good for underneath the eyes or to highlight with. And then I have the under eye volumizing collagen pads. You get a pack of 10. These are by the Dew of the Gods. I can't take this box seriously. I think I've mentioned this too because we've received this before in our boxes, and this box reminds me of the Band-Aid tape gum that you used to get, or I used to get at least. Same packaging. I think the Glam Bag Plus is good. Don't get me wrong. I think it's good. There's some good colors. That fall palette, that stuff is like right there. That was the palette that I was striving to get in this eyeshadow, or I mean this like drugstore look that's coming up. Really, really wanting to do like deep smoky one eyeshadow looks right now. So anyhow, that is what we got our Glam Bag Plus and the original Glam Bag. But you guys, I think the Glam Bag like killed it this month. You got a lot of really great high-end name brand products that, I don't know about you, but I really do love a lot of the products from a lot of the brands in there. We had KVD, Bare Minerals, we had Fenty, we Kapari. The Kapari is great. My hands are nice and soft. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And as always, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are new. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys all later, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the evening, day, afternoon, whatever. Just have a great day. Bye.